Elementary age kids need resources that are fun, a little sassy, and that teach valuable lessons. There are 3 new books in the Who, What, Why series for 7 to 11-year-olds, and I'm going to tell you just a little bit about them. Who were the abolitionists? What was the Underground Railroad? And why did slavery end? Are available for your kids to learn more about the modern church age. During the modern church, we've seen the rise of missions and evangelism. We've also seen tough regimes and oppression, and we saw people rise up and fight against chattel slavery, using scripture as their basis to love their neighbor as themselves. So you can find out more about the Who, What, Why series at whowhatwhyseries.com. And while you're there, make sure that you check out the other books in the series and grab the free lap books that we have available for you on who were the abolitionists, what was the Underground Railroad, and why did slavery end. whowhatwhyseries.com. My name is Danica Cooley. Thank you.